Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn to write the numerals when number names are given to us. In the past video, we had learned how to read the numbers and how to read their names, right? So this time we are going to learn the reverse of it. It's very, very important. And one more thing we are going to learn, and that is the expanded form. In classes 2, 3 and 4 also you have studied expanded form, but there the numbers were smaller numbers. Now we have to deal with large numbers. So we are going to learn how to write the expanded form of large numbers. So let us start, children.
Writing numerals for number names. In this slide, you'll see that the number names are given to you and you have to write the numerals in the place value chart. Again, we are going to start with a number name which you have done in class 4. 9,56,048. Children, since it is clearly starting with 9 lakh, so 10 crore column and 10 lakh column are going to stay empty, or some children like to put zeros in these columns. Both ways, it's absolutely correct. You can leave it empty or you can put zeros. So 9 lakh means we will write 9 in lakhs column, 56,000, 5 in 10,000s column, 6 in thousands column will make 56,000. 48. 0 in hundreds column, 4 in tens column and 8 in ones column will make it 48. Since there is no 100, we are going to put a 0 in hundreds column. Let's see. 9,56,048. Okay. 23,27,900. 23 lakh. So 10 crores column and crore column, you can just put zeros or keep them empty. 23 lakh. So 2 in 10 lakhs column and 3 in lakhs column will make it 23 lakh. 27,000. 2 in 10,000s column and 7 in thousands column will make it 27,000. 900. 9 in hundreds column, 0 tens and 0 ones will make it 900. Let's see. 23 lakh, 27,900. Okay, now let us start with still bigger numbers. 8 crore, 9 lakh, 60,321. Children, the number is starting with 8 crore. So this time only the 10 crores column will stay empty. And in crore columns, which digit are you going to write? Yes, 8, because it is 8 crore. 9 lakh. Now, here there will be 0 in 10 lakhs column and here there will be 9. 0, 9 will make it 9 lakh. 60,000. 6 in 10,000s column and 0 in thousands column will make it 60,000. 321. 3 in hundreds column, 2 in tens column and 1 in ones column. Okay. 8 crore, 9 lakh, 60,321. Okay, let's move to a bigger number. 76 crore 3 lakh 14,009. 76 crore. So now children, no column will stay empty. 7 will come in 10 crores column. 6 will come in crores column, making it 76 crore 3 lakh. 0 in 10 lakhs column again, and 3 in lakhs column will make it 3 lakh 14,000. 1 in 10 thousands column and 4 in thousands column will make it 14,009. So 0 hundred, 0 tens and 9. I repeat, 76 crore 3 lakh 14,009. Okay, let's read one more number. I'm sure you must have understood by now. 90 crore 82 lakh 700. 90 crore. So 9 in tens column and 0 in crores column will make it 90 crore. 82 lakhs. 8 in 10 lakhs column and 2 in lakhs column will make it 82 lakhs. 700 means nothing in thousands column. Nothing means what? We can't leave it empty. 0 in 10 thousands column and 0 in thousands column. So there are 2 zeros in thousands period, and 7 in hundreds period, and 0 here and 0 here will make it 700. Okay, let's see. 90 crores 82 lakh 736. Okay, children, I hope you would have understood how to write the numerals when number names are given to you. Okay, now let us move to the favorite topic of yours, expanded form. I'm sure you must be finding it quite easy in your junior classes. Here only the difference is the numbers are going to become slightly bigger. 8,475. If you have to write it in the expanded form, there are 3 different ways to write in expanded form. This is completely the numeral. All the numerals are written. 8,000 plus 400 plus 70 plus 5. If you will add all these 4 numbers, you will get 8,475. Now, this can be written as 8,000 plus 400 plus 7 tens plus 5 ones. In this form, we have used numerals as well as the words. Same thing can be written like this also. 8 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Now you can see 5 ones is 5, 7 tens is 70, 4 hundreds is 400, and 8 into 1000 is 8000. So all the 3 ways are absolutely correct. Now look at this number, it's slightly bigger, but then you have done this also in your class 4. Let's read the number first. 62,319 is equal to 60,000 plus 2,000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 9. So children, if you will add these numbers, you will get 62,319. Now we can also write 60,000 as 6 10,000 plus We can write 2000 like this. 2000 plus 300 is 300. Plus 10, we can write like 110. Plus 9 means plus 9 ones. Okay, this can be written like this. 6 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 9. So children, today you have also learned how to write the expanded form of numbers in 3 different ways. Now in the next video, I'm going to give you the practice of expanded form with larger numbers. Okay children, till then, bye. Have a great day.